Valentine's Day just around the corner, I thought it would be fun to put together some ideas of fun things you can do with your toddler. So we've got some recipes and even some custom crafts that you can do with your Cricut machine. Okay, next up, I'm gonna introduce you to my new toy, my Cricut. Y'all, the opportunities to create fun, new things, they're endless. And the DIYs that you can do with this thing are amazing. I'm gonna share two of my latest DIYs with y'all, but this is so easy to use. It's so user-friendly. There are a million ideas on Pinterest in case you didn't know. Just type in Cricut on Pinterest. But I found two shirts that I loved on Pinterest that were Mama and Minnie for Valentine's Day, and so I recreated those. And then I wanted to do a doormat. I wanted to do something that was Valentine's Day related, because I just hadn't seen much out there available to buy, and I love the one that we created. So here is what I did. That we're gonna actually decorate her tree for Valentine's Day. We were gonna take it down, but Matte, and I feel like it just adds such a nice glow at nighttime, especially because right now it gets dark so early. So I'm taking off some of the more traditional ornaments that feel more Christmassy, and we're going to instead replace them with little hearts. I found a bunch of these on Amazon and they were super reasonable, so if you have a Christmas tree in your little girl's room, this is a great way to just still keep it up and keep the glow, but then make it feel like Valentine's Day.
Hey, what are you doing?
You guys had as much fun watching this video as I did creating it. Happy Valentine's Day!